If you're new to Canva and you're wondering how to add text to your design, let me show you exactly how to do it. First, you're going to click the text tab on the left side of your screen. And from here, you can add a title, a heading, a subheading, or body text. You scroll down, you can also add captions, page numbers, and you can use different apps to create different types of text. And you can also use some font combinations that are already available with different fonts and different color themes. For this example, I'm going to add a heading. So I'm going to click add a heading and it's automatically going to appear on our canvas. Now I'm going to highlight the text and I'm going to type in my own words. And once you've added your text, you can click in the text and add anything else additionally that you'd like to add, or you can change your text to something else like this by highlighting it and typing over it again. And let's say, for instance, if you spelled something wrong or you missed a letter like I did, you can just click the area and it's going to give you a spell correction and you just click it. Have an awesome day. You can also resize your text by clicking the text box and using the outer circles as such. You can make it bigger that way. You can use that corner on the left side. You can use the top right corner or the top left corner. If you'd like to change your font, you're going to select the text and you're going to select the font menu at the top of the screen in the design panel. And to the left, you're going to see lots of different options for fonts. You can choose handwriting fonts, corporate, display, paragraph, sans serif, bold, elegant, so on and so forth. And the list goes on. There's hundreds and hundreds of fonts that you can choose from. And Canva's always going to show you popular fonts as well as your most recent fonts. I'm going to change this font to Anton. For beginners, I recommend keeping your font choices simple. You don't need 5 different fonts to make a design look good. You can also change the font size here next to the font type. Where you see the numbers here with the minus and the plus. This is to, of course, decrease the font size, and this is to increase the font size. It's currently at a 78 point font. If you'd like to increase it, you'll click the plus sign, and if you'd like to decrease it, you'll click the minus sign. If you'd like to change the color of the text, you're going to click the text color icon at the top where you see the uppercase A, and then you'll see the text color options appear. Here where you see the plus icon with the rainbow circle, if you click that, you can use the cursor to change the color of the text automatically. Or you can scroll and choose any other colors that you'd like to use that go according to the design that you're creating. You can also type into the search bar any colors that you'd like to find. And Canva's going to give you some color palettes that match the color that you typed in. For this design, I'm just going to keep the letters white. If you want to add a little more style, click the effects button at the top in the design panel. Here you can add things like a drop shadow, a glow. You can also do an echo and change the offset. You can also do neon, which makes the words bright. You can add a background and make it more of a rectangle, or you can make it rounded. You can do an outline where you can also change the thickness of the outline around the letters. And finally, you can click and drag your text wherever you want to on the page. So I can move it here to the top. I can click it and move it to the bottom. I can click it and put it right in the center. And Canva is always going to show you those little guidelines to help you align everything. And those are the purple lines that you see here. Adding text isn't just about typing words onto the page. Font size, the placement, and the spacing all affect how professional your design looks. That's why inside Clueless to Creative, I teach you how to use these basic Canva tools to actually build real digital products, not just where to find the buttons. So I'll walk you all the way through Canva tools and make it really simple, teaching you how to fix a messy design, how to make colors really simple, choosing fonts as well as elements, and making Canva templates your own. If you want to learn Canva step by step and learn how to turn those skills into digital products that you can sell, I want you to check out my Clueless to Creative course. I'll leave the link down for you in the description. I'll see you guys in the next video.